So in question 2, practice just some expansion of 1 plus x to the power of 4. Yeah? So I'll give you a second to work that out. So it should be pretty good with our expansions now. So we know that's 4, so it'll be 4c0 to start off with. Because it's 1, we don't need to really worry about it. So it's just 4c0 x to the power of 0, 4c1 x to the power of 1, power of 2, so on until 4c4 x to the power of 4. All right? Pretty simple. I think we're pretty good with our expansions by now. Good. Now, let's expand 1 plus x to the power of 5. So here, because we have to power 5, we know we start off with 5c0 x to the power of 0, 5c1 x to the power of 1, until we get to 5c5 x to the power of 5. All right? Now, considering those two expansions, I want us to work out the coefficient of x squared in 1 plus x to the power of 4 and 1 plus x to the power of 5 using the method that I just taught you. So that means I'm going to write out 1 plus x to the power of 4 in its expanded form. And I'm also going to write out 1 plus x to the power of 5 in its expanded form. Now you can see, if you wanted to expand that completely, it would take way too long, right? So what we're going to do is focus on which two of these values multiplied together is going to give me x squared. Yeah? So I want you to just have a look at this and which two values is going to multiply together to give you x squared, do you think? Okay? Have you found any yet? Yeah, exactly. So this times that, because that has no x values, times x squared, that's going to give me x squared. Is there anything else? So can you see how this and this, because we have x times x, that's going to give us x squared as well? Yeah? And lastly, this x squared times that constant will also give us x squared. So I just want you to write out those values. Now, to the coefficient of that, you can see it's just going to be the coefficients of all of these added together, right? So just take those. I would write it out first before you put in your calculator, just in case you make a mistake. And then pop that into your calculator and get 60 as the coefficient for x to the power of 2 there. All right? So you can see here what we've done, written it all out, and we've just looked for two numbers in these sets that's going to multiply together to give you x squared. And then we just find their coefficients, add up all their coefficients, and that's how we find the total coefficient for x squared there.